Most people spend their entire lives wishing for success, but very few ever stop to understand why success seems to come naturally to some people, while others struggle every single day. Maybe you have big dreams inside your heart. Maybe you want financial freedom, confidence, happiness, or a better future for your family. But every morning feels the same. You wake up tired, stressed, and unsure if your hard work will ever truly pay off. That feeling can be painful. It can make you question yourself. But what if the biggest thing holding you back is not your money, your education, or your background? What if the real battle is happening inside your own mind? In this video, we are going to explore the powerful ideas behind Think and Grow Rich in the simplest way possible. Imagine discovering that your thoughts are shaping your future every single day. Most people never realize how powerful their minds really are. They spend years focusing on fear, doubt, excuses, and negative thinking, without understanding that these thoughts slowly control their actions and results. Successful people think differently. They train their minds to focus on opportunities, discipline, confidence, and growth. This video is not about magic. It is about understanding how your daily mindset creates your habits, and how your habits create your future. If you stay until the end of this video, you will learn practical lessons that can completely change the direction of your life, even if you are starting from zero today. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with fewer resources than you is building success because they believe in themselves and refuse to quit. That is the difference. Success often begins with belief before it becomes reality. Throughout this video, our simple stickman character will show you the struggles, habits, mistakes, and mindset shifts that separate ordinary thinking from wealthy thinking. You will learn why desire matters, why discipline matters, why surrounding yourself with the right people matters, and why persistence can change everything. Watch closely because one idea in this video could completely transform the way you think forever. Lesson 1. Desire. Every great achievement starts with desire. Not a weak wish, not a simple hope. Real success begins with a strong emotional reason that pushes you forward even when life becomes difficult. Many people say they want money, but deep inside, they are not truly committed to changing their habits or improving themselves. Desire means waking up with purpose. It means understanding exactly what you want and why it matters so much to you. When your reason becomes powerful enough, your actions begin to change naturally. You stop wasting time on meaningless distractions because your future becomes more important than temporary comfort. The most successful people often spend time visualizing their future before it becomes real. They imagine their goals clearly inside their minds. They think about the house they want, the business they want to build, the confidence they want to develop, and the freedom they want to experience. Visualization helps your brain focus on opportunities instead of limitations. Our stickman is standing in front of his vision board because successful people train their minds to focus on solutions. When you repeatedly focus on your goals every day, your brain slowly starts believing those goals are possible. That belief creates motivation, and motivation creates action. Believing in yourself is extremely important because the world will not always believe in you at the beginning. Many people quit because they listen too much to fear, criticism, and doubt. They look in the mirror and only see weakness. But successful people learn to speak positively to themselves even during difficult moments. Confidence grows through repetition. Every time you tell yourself that you are capable, disciplined, and improving, your mindset becomes stronger. Self-belief is not arrogance. It is trust in your ability to learn, grow, and keep moving forward despite obstacles. Goals become more powerful when they are written down clearly. A dream inside your head can easily disappear, but a written goal feels more real and more serious. Writing goals forces you to become specific. Instead of saying, "I want success someday," you begin saying, "I want to build financial freedom by learning valuable skills every day." Specific goals create direction. Direction creates focus. Focus creates progress. Many people fail because they move through life without a clear target. Our stickman writes carefully in his notebook because clarity is one of the most powerful tools for success. Desire alone is not enough. You must combine desire with discipline and consistent action. Many people feel motivated for 1 or 2 days, but they quit when things become uncomfortable. Real growth happens when you continue climbing, even when progress feels slow. Discipline means doing what is necessary, even when you do not feel like doing it. Every small step matters. Every productive habit matters. Every focused hour matters. The people who succeed are usually not the smartest people in the room. They are simply the people who refuse to stop climbing. Lesson 2. Focus. One of the biggest enemies of success today is distraction. Many people spend hours scrolling on their phones, comparing themselves to others, and wasting valuable time on entertainment that brings no real growth. Time is your most valuable resource because once it disappears, you can never get it back. Distractions slowly steal your potential without you even noticing. The problem is not rest or relaxation. The problem is losing control of your attention. Successful people protect their focus carefully because they understand that focused effort creates powerful results over time. Growth often requires removing unhealthy habits from your life. Sometimes success is not about adding more things. Sometimes it is about removing distractions, excuses, laziness, and negative influences. Our stickman throws away distractions because successful people learn to protect their energy and attention. Every hour spent improving yourself is an investment in your future. Every hour wasted carelessly pushes your dreams further away. Small daily choices may seem unimportant, but over time they create completely different lives. Discipline is built one decision at a time. People who achieve great success usually focus deeply on one clear target for a long period of time. They do not constantly change direction every few days. They stay committed to their vision, even when progress feels invisible. Focus is powerful because energy grows where attention goes. Imagine using all your energy toward learning one skill, building one business idea, or improving one area of your life consistently. The results become much stronger. Our stickman aims directly at the center of the target because successful people train themselves to avoid unnecessary distractions. The people around you can either strengthen your focus or destroy it completely. Negative people often spread fear, doubt, excuses, and laziness. Positive people encourage growth, discipline, and action. Successful individuals intentionally surround themselves with people who inspire them to improve. Conversations matter, environments matter, energy matters. If everyone around you constantly complains, avoids responsibility, and wastes time, it becomes harder for you to stay motivated. But when you spend time with focused and ambitious people, their mindset begins influencing your own habits positively. Learning from others is one of the fastest ways to grow. You do not need to figure out everything alone. Many successful people became successful because they listened carefully, asked questions, and stayed open to learning. Our stickman listens during the meeting because growth requires humility. Sometimes the best opportunities come from collaboration and teamwork. A single good idea can completely change your future. The smartest people continue learning no matter how successful they become. Growth never truly stops. Lesson 3. Persistence. Every successful person faces moments of uncertainty and doubt. There will be times when your progress feels slow and your efforts seem invisible. During those moments, many people give up too early. Persistence is the ability to continue moving forward, even when results are delayed. Success rarely happens instantly. It usually grows quietly over time. Our stickman studies the chart carefully because successful people look for solutions instead of excuses. They learn from mistakes rather than allowing failure to define them. Financial growth often begins with simple habits. Saving money may seem small at first, but small disciplined actions create powerful long-term results. Many people spend everything they earn without thinking about the future. Wealthy thinking involves patience, planning, and responsibility. Our stickman places coins into the piggy bank because every small financial habit matters. Success is usually built gradually through consistent decisions. Even small improvements become powerful when repeated daily over many years. Knowledge becomes valuable only when it is applied consistently. Reading books, studying business, learning communication, and understanding money can completely transform your future if you take action on what you learn. Many people collect information but never use it. Successful people apply knowledge in real life. They experiment, improve, and adapt. Our stickman studies financial graphs because growth requires curiosity and effort. The world rewards people who continue learning valuable skills. Persistence also means developing strong routines. Waking up early, planning your day, exercising, learning, and staying organized may seem simple, but these habits slowly build discipline and self-control. Your future is shaped by your daily routines more than your occasional motivation. Successful people understand that consistency matters more than perfection. You do not need to change your life overnight. Small daily improvements create massive changes over time. Your physical energy affects your mental energy more than most people realize. Exercise, sleep, healthy habits, and movement help your mind stay clear and focused. Success is difficult when your body constantly feels tired and weak. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It is necessary for long-term growth. Our stickman trains with determination because strong habits create strong minds. When your body feels better, your confidence and productivity also improve. Lesson 4. Mindset. A calm and focused mind is extremely powerful. Many people live in constant stress, fear, and overthinking. They worry about problems so much that they lose their ability to think clearly. Meditation, silence, reflection, and gratitude help calm the mind and improve emotional control. Successful people learn how to protect their inner peace because emotional stability helps them make better decisions. Our stickman meditates quietly because mental clarity creates better focus and stronger discipline. Success often requires working when others are sleeping, relaxing, or making excuses. There will be moments when you feel tired, discouraged, or unmotivated. During those moments, discipline becomes more important than emotions. Our stickman continues working late because successful people understand that short-term sacrifice can create long-term freedom. Hard work alone is not enough, but focused hard work combined with persistence can produce incredible results over time. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of the journey toward success. Every successful entrepreneur, athlete, or leader has experienced rejection, mistakes, and disappointment. The difference is that they did not allow failure to stop them permanently. Our stickman feels disappointed after seeing poor results, but failure provides lessons that improvement cannot happen without. Growth often begins after difficult moments. Mistakes teach wisdom if you are willing to learn. Resilience means standing back up after life knocks you down. Many people fail once and decide to quit forever. Successful people fail, learn, adapt, and continue moving forward. Persistence builds strength over time. Every challenge teaches patience, discipline, and emotional control. Our stickman rises confidently because true success belongs to people who refuse to surrender. Sometimes the only difference between success and failure is simply continuing one more time. The information you feed your mind every day matters greatly. Negative content creates negative thinking. Positive and educational content creates stronger thinking. Books, podcasts, mentors, and inspiring ideas can completely change your mindset over time. Our stickman reads inspiring quotes because successful people intentionally feed their minds with growth-focused information. Protecting your mindset is one of the most important investments you can make. Lesson 5. Growth and success. Confidence grows through practice and experience. Many people avoid speaking, leadership, or opportunities because they fear embarrassment. But growth happens outside your comfort zone. Our stickman presents confidently because communication skills can open many doors in life and business. The more you practice expressing your ideas, the stronger your confidence becomes. Fear becomes smaller when action becomes stronger. True success is not only about making money. Real success also involves helping other people grow. Successful individuals often mentor, encourage, and support others because contribution creates meaning. Our stickman helps another person climb because powerful people lift others instead of pulling them down. Kindness, leadership, and support create stronger communities and better relationships. It is important to celebrate progress, even small progress. Many people focus only on what they have not achieved yet and forget how far they have already come. Small wins build confidence and motivation. Our stickman proudly holds a trophy because recognizing progress helps maintain momentum. Growth is a journey, not a single moment. Every step forward matters. Success grows slowly like a plant. At first, the results may seem invisible, but with patience, effort, and consistency, growth becomes visible over time. Many people quit too early because they expect instant results. Our stickman waters the money plant because successful habits require patience and care. Long-term thinking separates successful people from impatient people. True wealth is not only financial. Real wealth includes peace of mind, health, relationships, freedom, and balance. Many people chase money while neglecting their happiness and personal life. Our stickman balances work and family because lasting success requires harmony. A healthy, balanced life creates deeper fulfillment than money alone ever can. The journey toward success is not always easy, but it is possible for anyone willing to change their thinking and take consistent action. Our stickman stands on top of the mountain because every disciplined decision eventually creates progress. Success does not happen overnight. It grows through patience, focus, learning, persistence, and belief. The person you become during the journey is often more valuable than the rewards themselves. Right now, you have the power to make a new decision about your future. You can continue living with excuses and fear, or you can begin building stronger habits, stronger thinking, and stronger discipline starting today. Your future changes the moment your mindset changes. Every successful person once started as a beginner. The difference is that they chose action over excuses. You can do the same. Thank you for watching this journey through the powerful lessons of Think and Grow Rich. If this video inspired you, remember to apply these lessons daily, because knowledge without action changes nothing. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and continue believing in yourself even during difficult moments. Your future success begins with the thoughts you choose today. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs motivation right now.